Now you see here, I have taken the elements in the two-dimensional array. What is this two-dimensional array? This two-dimensional array is a collection of one-dimensional arrays. How we are saying? See, this is a one-dimensional array, 1, 2, 3 is. This is another one-dimensional array, is 4, 5, 6. So this finally we are representing with the two square braces. We are ending with the two square braces. It is giving the two-dimensional array. Now I want to know what is the dimension. So I am writing a dot n dimension. So this a is the array. Now we want to know how many rows are there. How many rows are there? 2 rows, because we are using two square brackets here. The elements we are separating by comma. How many elements we are separating? This is 1, this is 1. So there are 2 rows. I can write in this manner in order to make you understand in the better way. So here there are 2 rows. This is first row, this is second row, and there are 3 columns. Okay, so rows are 2 and columns are 3. And how many elements are there? There are total 6 elements. Now we are executing this. You can observe this is a two-dimensional array. There is no doubt. And how many we are giving? We are giving the command a dot shape. By using this command a dot shape, we can get how many rows and how many columns are there in that array. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. If we give a dot size, that will print the total number of elements. How many elements are there? Total elements are 6. Now this time we are writing 7, 8, 9. So if I execute this one, you observe this is the two-dimensional array still, but there are 3 rows and 3 columns. And how many number of total elements are there? Total elements are 9. This is how we can get the dimension of array by using a dot n dimension. We can get the rows and columns of that array by using a dot shape, and we can get the total elements of that array by using a dot size.